What's up, guys? Welcome, Crypto FUD. Let's jump right into this. All right, so let's take a look at ICP. So for the last week, I really haven't been posting a lot of videos. Been just kind of just sitting here watching the market, and we all can see everything's been just boring. It's been just really just sitting there, and to me, it looks like it's a bullish thing. We really haven't seen any major drops or anything like that. We've seen some moves up where Bitcoin, particularly, will try to move up to almost 31,000 and keep getting rejected. ICP has been, slowly making moves. It will jump up to maybe around $4 and 20 something cents and then get rejected and kind of move back down. The main thing that I've been watching, I pointed this out, was this spot right here. We've had it for a few weeks. It's the $4.12. It looks like that has been really where we've been just sitting. Even if we drop below $4.12, it's pretty usually it's pretty fast, maybe a day or two, and then we're right back up towards either 412. We'll break it. Like I said, we'll move up. Even a couple of these times right here, we moved up towards $4.50, somewhere around there, and then it's like we go right back down, either sub $4.12 briefly, and then we kind of will sit around $4.12. So this has been a pivotal point where I've really just been watching. Whenever we drop below $4.12, I start watching to see if I'm gonna where it's going, if we're gonna have some buy-ins. Again, you guys know my spot for me to buy in for right now, currently sitting at around $3.95. Anything below $3.95, I'm usually dollar cost averaging in. If it's something where it's far down, like I said, to where this before, where we dropped down $3 from 50 cents, 60 cents, I was definitely buying in bigger chunks. But if we briefly just touch $3.95, I'm just dollar cost averaging in small increments, just kind of feeling out the market. Again, like I always tell you guys, from where I'm at right now, because I've been dollar cost averaging in, and I was able, the prior low, whenever we first hit $3.60, I bought majority of my bag. I am happy where I'm at. Obviously, we always want more. So that's why I have this box right here, and I'm just sticking to my rule. If it goes down into this box is when I buy in. If it doesn't, I'm happy because I'm above where I bought in, and I'm just kind of just watching to see what's going on. So for right now, what do I think with ICP? Well, anybody's guess. You can throw anything out right now because this market is so unpredictable. A couple of things that I do want to look at. I've showed this before. ICP, this is the market cap. This is the 200-day, and it's not coincidental that we literally have been just sitting above this 200-day. If we do drop below, that's those drops that go down to $3.50. If we drop below this 200-day moving, and then remember, this is the market cap. If we drop down under there, it's very brief, and it's usually goes right back either over the 200-day or staying right on it, like moving literally on track with it. We bounced multiple times. If you see back here, right here, and multiple times in the last few days, we have literally just been bouncing off this 200-day. A lot of people are just looking at the actual chart, but if you go to the market cap and you're looking, this actually can tell you some things. I will tell you, first off, what I do notice is that if you can see, we'll zoom out a little bit. If you look at this market cap, you can see we came down, we bottomed out on this market cap for the 200-day moving average. And if you can see, we clearly are starting to move our way back up. That to me is something that you want to see. We're slowly moving up. This isn't going to be a because it's a moving average. This thing's going to be a slow and steady move. As long as this price can just basically hang where it's at and start making slow movements up, the 200-day is going to be moving up. And this is the 200-day for the market cap. Market cap right now is sitting at around $1.83 billion. If you guys know me, you know this channel, ICP, I'm pretty bullish. This is one of my bigger holdings. I think ICP in the next bull run is going to be somewhere around anywhere I can see easily a $50 billion market cap. So obviously take that with a grain of salt. I'm not giving out any financial advice. It's just my opinion. But if we were to get somewhere around that $50 billion mark, excuse me, you're going to be looking at somewhere around a 25x at least from where we're at right now. I do want to just jump out and show Bitcoin. So Bitcoin right now, one thing I just want to point out, and this is obvious to everybody, is look at this like consolidation spot that we've been in for the last like few weeks. This has been since right here. This says June 22nd. So June 22nd to July 13th, which is current date today. You're looking at, what is that, 3+ weeks of us just literally chopping. I guarantee when Bitcoin does this, every time Bitcoin does this, there's going to be a big move coming in our near future. The big question is are we going to be moving up or are we going to be moving down? Given the way the market is right now, with everything, all the news, you have, like I've said this, I feel like a broken record with the institutions and all the integration with Bitcoin, particularly with the banks, and you have the big hedge funds, the big investments like Fidelity, or however you pronounce it, BlackRock, Fidelity, BlackRock. You have like all these different big, holding groups that hold trillions of dollars. They're going to be basically letting a lot of their customers get exposed to Bitcoin through an ETF. So they're not particularly going to be buying Bitcoin, but they're going to be trading off of Bitcoin off of an ETF. And that's going to be massive money that could be coming in to the crypto space. And I say this about Bitcoin because if Bitcoin can start moving up, we've been, boring at 30,000, right? Remember, 6 months ago, we were sitting at 20,000. We're at 30,000. What do you think is going to happen in the next 6 months? We're probably going to be at 40 or 50,000. And with that being said, ICP will be moving its way up as well. So right now we're currently sitting at around $4.20. I can see us, we're sitting here basically chopping at a bit for ICP as well. I wouldn't doubt that we can start getting some movements here. Hopefully, this is the 200-day right here that we basically just we broke away from. It's been a while now. That's going to be a major spot for resistance. That's going to be somewhere around the $5 mark. We'll talk about that when we get to it. But for right now, we just really need to see this market start moving. And ICP is going to be one of those long-term plays. So again, for myself, if we do break down, we break this $4.12. I'm watching for a buy-in anywhere under $3 and like basically $3.95. If it touches that, even gets to like $3.96, I'm usually just buying in small increments. If it obviously breaks below it, I'm going to start buying in big chunks. But if we don't, and we kind of just sit where we're at, I'm not upset. I'm just bored. Obviously, I'm just bored, just waiting. I have my patience for crypto because I've been here and done it for years now. So I know what's coming. I hope you guys too. I hope you guys do too. Sorry. I just woke up, so that's why I'm a little like, brain's still a little choppy, but just wanted to come out, give you guys some hopium. Make sure you guys have subscribed to the channel. I'm telling you, when this bull market starts, it's going to start. It's not going to give you any warning. This thing's going to start shooting off everything. Everything's going to start moving fast. Videos are going to be coming out, multiple videos on all your favorite projects, so you don't want to miss out. Again, make sure you guys subscribe. I thank you guys so much.